very much, and I will be very, very brief. I apologize for being late to this event. I had another deal in Galveston for some of our stalwarts in the Galveston County Republican Party are moving to another state, and I want to be there to give them honor as well. It has been an honor and a privilege to be your state representative in Austin for the last 8 years. I think we've come a long way as a state since Republicans took over the majority of the Texas House. It's certainly made a difference in the state of Texas. We are the #1 place for companies to relocate to, #1 in population growth, #1 in job growth. Yes, the economy is slowing down, but we're still outperforming the rest of the country. In fact, we're still adding about 1,200 people a day to Texas, and our unemployment rate is staying level, which is pretty amazing. You can take on that many people and still keep the unemployment rate to where it is. So Texas is doing a good job. Republicans have made a difference at the state level. Today we're here focusing on our county and city folks. Let me tell you, Republicans make a difference here. We've already had a number of winners here. Judge Lonnie Cox, Judge John Ellis really made a great difference for Republicans for Galveston County with the judicial decisions they've made based on conservative philosophy, not creating law from the bench. So it's been a great honor to serve alongside those guys. Ken Clark is standing alone on Commissioner's Court as a lone Republican. We need to send him some help. I see Mark Henry over here. We also have Kevin down running for a different precinct to help him out there. I'm proud as a Republican to stand up with this slate of candidates you see before you tonight. I'm here to recommend them for you and for your consideration, to take them to your friends and recommend them as well. We can move this county forward where it needs to be into the 21st century and not stuck in the policies and politics of the past. Thank you very much. I'm sorry I have to run. I now have a visitation for a funeral, and I have a flight that's been scheduled for 8:50. It was supposed to be in the morning, so I'm leaving tonight. So I apologize for being brief. Thank you very much for the honor to serve.